y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, my last little video, my crock pot broccoli casserole. I've had several people say, hey, could you do some more crock pot recipes? So here we are, y'all. I'm going to show y'all just a real simple recipe you can throw in the crock pot and it is just delicious, and that is chicken cacciatore. This can be a pretty thrifty meal because it does go a good ways, but I'm gonna show you just how quick it is to put it together. Now I sliced up my little bell peppers. I did 2 bell pepper. I just like all the color. You know, you do as you will, but I did use, I've got 2 bell pepper, I've got 1 large onion, and a packet of mushrooms. But, you know, all this stuff can be purchased fairly cheap. Got us some garlic and beef broth and tomatoes, and that is all. So let's get started. First of all, y'all know we're gonna use this, honey. Easy cleanup. My little crock pot bag.
Make sure you get it, y'all.
Make sure you do, and I don't promote them. They don't promote me.
No, they ain't giving us no money. We're just trying to help y'all out.
It's easy, trust me. All right, I'm gonna start with my chicken. I've just got some chicken bone-in and skin, because honey, that's where your flavor is. Don't you can do the boneless, skinless, whatever if you like, but I really like the flavor of these. That skin, that little bit of fat in there, honey, it's just gonna make it delightful. Now we're gonna start by seasoning this chicken up. I'm just gonna put a little salt and pepper on it. A little salt, a little pepper. We're gonna give that a little tossy toss around before we start adding all our other little goodies. Oh, that pepper just got my nose. I feel as if I could sneeze. All right.
I've been doing that. I was outside. So.
Yes, y'all, 'tis the season.
What's coming on now.
It's been beautiful here. We have had weather in the 70s, and yeah, with that, everything's a blooming, pollen going around.
Yeah.
All right, easy peasy. We're gonna dump these 2 bell pepper on top. And my 1 big old sweet Vidalia onion and some mushrooms. Yummy, yummy. And I just split them in half, y'all. No fancy way here. Nothing fancy going in. This is what it's looking like right now. We're going to add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. You can also, you can do just about any kind of tomatoes you want. But this is going to make a wonderful, wonderful little sauce. Yummy, yummy. Alright. I've got some garlic that I have diced up. So just some fresh garlic. That's going to give it some yumminess too. Get this stuff out of the way. And I've got a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Now I just made some chicken broth because I didn't want to open a whole quart of my good old broth for just a 1/2 cup, which we'd use it somewhere else, but just go pour that on top. Now I'm going to put about a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon of oregano, and I didn't get a little measure, so I'm just going to measure with my heart. Nothing wrong there. A little oregano, and we're going to give ours a little zippity-doo-dah. Rust like some red pepper flakes. So just a little bit. We're not going to go crazy with that. Just a little, hey, what's up? Right?
Yeah.
All right. We'll give this all a big stir.
Man, that smells good already, y'all.
It does.
Yeah, you started cooking it.
And the fat on that chicken is going to make this even more juicier. Now, it is lunchtime, but we will eat this for supper. So I'm going to cook this on high for about 3 to 4 hours. And you can also let it go 6 to 8 hours on low. But that's our route. We're going today high, 3 to 4 hours. So when this is ready, I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. All right, y'all. It's been about 5.5 hours or so. Me and James Russell's had us a busy little day, but y'all look at this.
Well, it's been working away, doing its
We've
thing.
been working, yep. Old Betsy, she's been hard at it.
Been working.
Look at all them little vegetables.
Look at that, y'all. Golly, all
yummy.
thick. And it smells so
It
good.
does.
We'll pour out and we come back in and it just, ooh, it smelled good.
It did.
Man.
We went for a little walk, so now we done walk so we can have a little supper.
Yeah. Treat yourself.
Yeah, so I've got us some linguine back there cooked. We're going to eat it on some pasta.
Yeah.
And I'm going to skip the bread, the little crusty bread.
Look at her doing good.
But crusty bread is really good with this, especially you can just sop it in them in that goodness, honey. Make you shout. Y'all, we got us some chicken cacciatore.
But it looks good too. I'm telling you.
Yes, sir.
That chicken looks tender.
It's just falling apart.
It is. She couldn't even really spoon it over. It was just falling to pieces. It was off the bone, falling apart.
Yep, you ain't got to dig hard for
No,
that.
you ain't gonna have to work to get that chicken off the bone. I'll tell you
No.
I gotta give it a go. I
Give
can't wait no longer.
Give it a go.
Got some little bit of pasta to go in there with it.
Yep.
Ooh wee.
It's flaming
She's
hot.
piping. Y'all might want to wish me luck on this one. Here.
You might want to give that a little second.
Well, we're gonna have more chicken than pasta.
Woo. Give it a blow, Russell. You need some water?
Ooh, all right.
I know. You want some water?
I'm good.
Okay.
See, out of all this taste testing, y'all, at one time you become a professional at this. Like she's got hands all this time in the kitchen.
Hands of steel.
I got the gullet of steel.
Okay then.
Yeah. So
you do pretty good.
I do.
You do.
Yeah. See, all y'all people want my job. Y'all don't want my job.
No.
Y'all be talking like this.
I serve it hot, right out the pot.
Yeah, piping. That's the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
See, y'all would be walking around all hoarse and wondering, can't talk.
He can give it a minute though. Y'all.
Can't talk.
Just give it a minute.
Well, it's good. I mean, I've been smelling it for 5 hours.
Yes.
And
our house smells
it's hard
delicious.
to do when it's been smelling all that time. Look at that.
Y'all know how peppers and stuff smell anyway.
Wee,
When it's cooking.
But look, it is piping now, y'all.
It's piping
She's
hot.
piping. I had to get a little pasta because I didn't get one. I didn't get one on my first bite. And
No.
the chicken trying to get away.
Yeah, you just having all
This
kinds
is turning into a fail.
all kind of little issues.
It's delicious.
Fantabulous, huh?
Oh man.
And I just put her in old Betsy, let old Betsy do the work.
Man, that's got flavor. That's got so much flavor I can't even tell y'all.
Good
Ooh.
stuff.
That's great.
Yeah. Betsy did all the work.
Y'all put all that in there and go to work and come home. People be like, oh my goodness, how did y'all, man,
It's
how
good.
long did it take you to make this?
And I told y'all I named my stuff for all the new people. My
Yeah.
crock pot's name is old Betsy.
Yeah.
So, old Betsy, she did her thing. She did it.
Betsy done it right tonight.
Did this right.
Yeah.
That's one good thing about crock pot, y'all. I'm telling you. It's wonderful when you can just throw something in a pot, walk off. You ain't got to stir it and mess with it.
Ain't got to babysit it. Ain't got to wash it.
Didn't have to turn the oven on.
No.
Get the
We
house
left
all
it
hot.
and just let it do its thing.
Let her go. Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Got them little old bags. You just fold that bag up and throw it away and it's ready to go another day.
Absolutely. And you can freeze this. You can freeze it. It's great leftovers because them
It just gets
gets
more
better.
and more flavor. Yeah.
It just gets better. Now I wouldn't freeze it with the noodles, but you can freeze it and enjoy it another time.
That's delicious. Ooh,
It
that's good.
sure
Man,
is.
delicious.
It is, and it really wasn't that expensive. I got some peppers marked down.
Thighs
And,
are fairly cheap.
The pasta was 79 cents, and the chicken thighs for that pack, I believe it was about $6.
That's pretty good.
So yeah, and the thighs, there was 8 thighs. We didn't use all, but anyway, it's a good way to be thrifty and save some money.
Very flavorful. I'm telling you,
It's
that's a
good.
flavor. That thing was packed with flavor.
You can eat cheap, y'all, and it don't have to taste like it's cheap.
No, that don't taste cheap
Just
at all. That's as
flavor
good
it.
as any Italian restaurant you can go eat at. I'm telling you, it has very good flavor. I'm telling you,
It's
it does.
good.
Yeah.
It really is. But yeah, Just all in how you flavor stuff. How
Get you a
mix
Betsy.
it up.
If you ain't got a Betsy, get you one.
Get your Betsy out. That's right. And you can also do it in the Instant Pot if you have an Instant Pot.
Yeah.
But Crock Pot recipe, y'all asked for it. So
There you go.
We'll still keep on plugging along, doing a few here and there.
Yeah, we might do a couple more. Yep.
So anyway, and I love y'all.
Giving us ideas, it helps. It really does.
Let me know what you want to
the
see.
people that watch us every video, we want to give you what you want to see.
Right.
We really do. We want to keep your interest. We really do, and so we try to do that. We do.
And for any young cooks out there that's just learning their way around in the kitchen, I like to make it simple.
Yes.
Easy steps.
Hey, like me, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm learning while I'm
good.
videoing. I'm learning too. So
He's doing good.
And my man on the smoker is starting to warm up. So yeah, I'm gonna hit you with a few of those or try to. I mean, I'm not as comfortable behind the camera as her because I'm on the other side of it. But we'll try. I promise we'll try.
I'm not comfortable behind the camera.
I have come up with something that's very, very good on the smoker, and I have
perfected it.
It is very good. It really is. So
well, you'll have to surprise him and do that.
Yeah, we might have to show that.
Whip it out.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching.
Yeah, we appreciate
it. And just spending some time with us, just hanging out with us in our kitchen. And until next time.